YouTube, what's up guys? My name is Mitch. If you're new to the channel because of Star Wars, the Star Wars helmet, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I do car content, a lot of car content, but a lot of YouTubers are doing fun things that they're interested in, and I'm really interested in Star Wars. I've been a huge fan. So I got an amazing helmet today, it came in the mail, and I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of this, and I'm just a huge fan. The reason I bought this helmet is one, I'm a huge Star Wars fan, huge Mandalorian fan. Boba Fett's the best guy there ever was. Absolutely obsessed, always have been. But I saw this helmet and I go, I gotta get one. Reason why is I want to drive my Lotus, which kind of looks like a spaceship, while wearing the helmet. So, so you guys are gonna see on the thumbnail, it's gonna be hilarious. But let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the prototype right here from Black Series Star Wars. So Star Wars, and then this is gonna say Boba Fett prototype armor. Electronic helmet, very, very cool. Has I believe, if you spin the box around, let's look at the whole box, has right there an LCD or LED, yeah, right there, LED targeting, which looks amazing. If you guys just watched a new episode of Mandalorian, they had that on there. Very cool. Now this one's special because it's a prototype. The prototype means it's all white. Look at the inside of that, oh my gosh. And this is from the original kind of, I think what George Lucas, the guy that did Star Wars, what he wanted or thought Boba Fett would look like, which is a superior stormtrooper. And then all the paint and all that came later. I think that was an afterthought or second thought, but wow, this is amazing. This is a Hasbro product and a Disney product. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so you're gonna have these little plastics right there, right there, right there. I think there's 4 pieces of tape. And then we're gonna pull that back, and then we'll open this, and this is what you get. So very cool. I think this is the antenna that sticks out the top of the helmet. I am gonna grab some scissors, and we're gonna carefully cut that right there to release it. So that's been released. Oh yeah, this comes up like that. Very cool. So we'll set that aside right there. And then, ooh, here is the helmet inside of here. Oh my gosh. Tightly packaged in here. Let's just go ahead and pull up on this plastic and see if it comes out. Wow. Yes, look at that. Unbelievable. I like that they did give you some packing so that it doesn't get damaged, but that's what's in the box right here. So we'll set that aside. Very cool box too, as you guys saw. We're gonna go ahead and cut this right here. There we go. Comes with instructions right here. 14 years old, you gotta be 14 or older, I guess, to own this. So for adults, right? Almost adults. Very cool. It has instructions on how to do it. It does require batteries, which I don't think I have. I'll have to go look around to see if I have some. I don't think it came with any, but we'll look if it did. Let's go ahead and then cut this right here. We'll be careful not to scratch the helmet. So like that. And wow, here is the helmet. Look at that thing. It is a big dome. Good thing, because I have a big dome. Wow, look at that, very cool. So what I did read on some of the reviews is that this is a prototype helmet, so it does have a little bit of marks on it, because it's what Boba's kind of looks like, but without the big dent right here. There's no big dent from when he got shot in the head. But wow, look at this. Pretty thick and pretty heavy, oh my gosh. The inside, look at that, amazing. Wow, can you guys see in there? Look at that. Oh, these are kind of cushy. They're foam with air in them. So there's not something inside it. It's foam with air in it. And then it does have a thing to mount or for your head, kind of like a headband. Almost like a hard hat helmet. Very thick and pretty good plastic weight on it. It reminds me of my football helmets in high school, to be honest. Okay, so this is amazing. Wow, great detail. I love it. It looks really, really good. So let's set this here. The next thing we're gonna do is open up this antenna here, and I'm gonna have to go find some batteries. I think I have some. I don't think it came with them. Let's go ahead right there. Open up that plastic. Wow, awesome! Look at that. So there's a release button right here, as you guys can see. You can release. I think you hold it and then push it back up, but then you can probably just push it on the side and it'll probably come down by itself. Yes, just like in the show. How cool is that? So we'll cock it up and hold it up. And then I believe that you gotta install some batteries. So I'll have to look at the instructions. Let's go ahead and grab the instructions real quick to see where we get the battery. So I did read quickly on the box. It does require one AAA battery, so AAA, AAA. I do have one from Duracell here, so we'll use one of these AAA batteries. And I'll actually we'll follow the instructions, and it shows right here. So behind here is where the battery is. So let's look here, I believe. So the battery locations on the side that has the antenna or the scope or whatever you call it, what it is just right here. You just pull, you kind of pinch it together, and it reveals that where we need a Phillips head, which I have a ton of tools. So let me go ahead and grab that real quick. So let's do lefty loosey real quick. There we go. And then we should be able to pull this up. And that right there, and then now we can see where the battery goes. So we'll take the AAA battery, the Duracell. Of course, everyone likes Duracell. We'll put that in there just like. All right, now once we have that tightened, we'll push this back on. Just like that, push it pretty firm. And then we'll put the piece in. Yeah, I think you just push it on. So let's just be a little firm with it. Yeah, and just push it on pretty firmly. So we just push it on pretty firm. And then let's push this button down. And there we go. It lights up in there. How cool is that? And then it turns off. So let me show you guys that again. Put this down. And then you guys can see it's lit right there. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, wow. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Yes. So now it's time to put it on. Okay, so let's grab the helmet and put the helmet on. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. It's huge. Look at that. That is so cool. I gotta move my camera a little bit. Let me change you guys. Yes, that is awesome. Look at that. That is so cool. So it's kind of loose. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna end up tightening it a little bit. But that is so cool. Check this out. Oh my gosh. And the glass is perfect. It doesn't get too close to your face to fog up. Like everyone's wearing masks these days. Honestly, I just want to walk around the store in this. The other thing is funny enough, I got a pretty big chin. I feel like it does a pretty good job of covering the chin. If you guys watch the new Mandalorian, that was one of the things that I had an issue with. Is that called Vance? You could really see a lot of his neck because he's tall. I'm tall too, but I felt like the helmet, they could have made it on Boba's helmet a little bit longer. But that is so crazy. Oh, wow. So let me tighten it a little bit. And then the next thing I do, I want to get my girlfriend and get her reaction. So let's grab my girlfriend real quick. I told her I needed help.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I knew you were making it.
Isn't that the coolest thing ever?
It's the coolest thing ever.
Thank you. Now I have to have her take photos of me for the thumbnail. That is awesome. That's what I got. I love it. Look how real it looks.
It does look real.
We're gonna go drive.
You got it the day after Halloween.
I did buy it the day after Halloween, my bad.
Oh my god.
So that's an unboxing for it. Hilarious. I love that thing. So awesome. Girlfriend thought it was awesome too. If I ever need a track day helmet, I have it right here. Absolutely recommend this for Star Wars fans. High quality. Very, very cool. Just a 10 out of 10. Good materials, thick materials, quality looks good, fits really well. Even the inside of it is just amazingly detailed. As you guys can see right here, just really 10 out of 10. Awesome job with it. Very cool, no complaints at all. I love that it has the fact that the targeting system can go down and it lights up. I think that's just absolutely, right here, this is so cool. That right there is just so cool, awesome. And on camera it's very, I don't know if it shows up for you guys, but it's bright red. And then the LCD behind here, right there is really cool. You can actually see it inside the helmet too, as if you're targeting something for real. Very cool, and you just pop it right back up and it turns itself off. So 10 out of 10 on that. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. Enjoy, really appreciate it. Have a great weekend. If you're new to the channel from Star Wars, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. I'll potentially use some more Mandalorian stuff in the future. I like the idea of maybe doing a little bit of cosplay with these and maybe building an armor or something like that. It'd be pretty fun to drive around with that. And yeah, so make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.